In this video, we will show you how to replace your brake light switch on this Ford Ranger. This will be located under the driver's side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way under the driver's side dash, locate your brake pedal, and follow that shaft all the way up to where it connects onto the brake pedal switch. Now for the brake pedal switch, we're going to want to disconnect the electrical connector first. Squeeze in on the locking tab and pull that out of place. We'll just give that electrical connector a quick inspection for corrosion and you can set that aside. At this point, we can continue on to removing this plastic clip. Sometimes the locking tab will be along the top, other times it'll be along the bottom. This one's kind of handy, it's down along the bottom. We'll just pop that out of place. Now this is just a safety clip here. We'll set that aside. At this point, we're paying attention to the clip that's located behind where that plastic clip was. For this one in particular, we'll be sliding it up and off of here. We'll just give that a quick inspection as well. We will be reusing this, so set it aside for now. Now that we have the clip off of there, the next thing we're going to want to do is carefully start prying the brake switch away from the brake pedal lever. Use a small prying device for this. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you need to. Really shouldn't have to have too much pressure here. Slide it out just enough that we can remove this. And there it is, friend. Now on the switch itself, you may find that the wiring harness is still attached. Go ahead and dislodge that now. Okay, let's get ready for our installation. Before we do so, pay attention to this shaft here. We need to ensure that it still has the bushing in it. If it popped out, you can just slide it right back in. Once you've done so, let's continue on with the installation here. We'll take that switch and put it in the proper position. For this clip, you always want to come through from the top towards the bottom, just in case it does come loose. It's harder to rattle out upward than it is to rattle out downward. At this point, we'll continue on with our protective clip here. Slide that right on over that locking clip and lock this in. Okay, it's time for the wiring harness. Let's go ahead and take this and connect it in. Give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secure. I got a click from that. We'll give it a little tug. Perfect. Okay, friend, we've got the vehicle back together. At this point, you want to make sure you test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.